Good afternoon. Thank you for inviting me here in Austin. First time for GC Aesthetics. As a full transparency, we are not in the US yet. And also for full transparency, I'm not a physician. Let me introduce you about GC and how we are working for the women healthcare around the world outside of the US. GC is not a new company. GC has been in the market for the last 45 years. And the main DNA of GC is all about from quality and safety and satisfaction. And it's very important that all the women around the world are totally different. And we are providing to those patients around the world and plastic surgeons totally different approach, totally different surfaces, totally different shapes. The basics of where starts our DNA is on quality. And the quality demonstrated by clinical studies. We don't try to claim that we are the best, but we are demonstrating by our clinical studies of 10 years and 17 years that we have unprecedented results and satisfaction from plastic surgeons and from patients about the quality of our breast implants that has been distributed and served around the world in more than 70 countries. We are proud as a private company to have invested millions on patients to make sure that we can demonstrate that quality and that warranty for life. We just heard that some of our other players are warranty of 20 years. GC has a full life warranty. Our implants are warranted forever for any single patient for first augmentation and reconstruction. All of that, when you have safety and when you have good products, you need to make sure that you have the good education platform. And what we have done in the last few years is we have a platform called GC Academy, where more than 4,000 plastic surgeons around the world has been attending webinars, presential trainings with KOLs around the world from LATAM, Europe, Asia Pacific, and Africa to make sure that every technique works as soon as that technique is well done and well used. And it's very important that education is part of the success of GC Aesthetics outside of the US. We are more than a company. We don't supply products. We supply value. Nowadays, time is a value. Every patient wants a minimal scar. Every doctor wants a maximum of his time to get the access to the operating room at a short period of time. Meaning what we try to address is not to put in a patient or to give a product, is really to understand the value from the patient and from the doctor in terms of timing, in terms of perceived value, in terms of warranty, in terms of reoperation. All of that is about efficiency. And we do all of that in collaborations with our plastic surgeons around the world. We are dedicated to plastic surgery and nothing else. What we offer to our plastic surgeons, we offer a starting point in the consultation room up to the warranty with no limit. In the consultation room, it's very important to understand that the conversation starts there. The conversion rate starts there. Then you need to give the access to all plastic surgeons to tools helping those doctors to select the right and appropriate shape, surface, and size for the patient. And how we do that? With the IT systems helping to model in 3D the right implant for the right patient for the right skin. This is what we do in pre-surgery. In the surgery room, we have a range of breast implants that is more than 1,500 SKUs. Anatomical shapes, round shapes, surfaces, type of gels. All of that matters. A woman coming from Asia has different expectations than a woman coming from Brazil. And this is what we try to address. And finally, we do all in reconstruction, in augmentation, meaning that we partner with the best solutions in the world. We are the partner outside of the US with Bimini for Pure Graft, and our goal is to make sure that the best technologies in the world for a specific outcome is partnering with GC. The same with FixNip. In reconstruction, we have a unique tool called FixNip that is helping in less than 15 minutes with local anesthesia to make a nipple reconstruction with a very fast process. And the last one is about post-surgery. The post-surgery is key. there is no best results without a really good outcome and I would say satisfaction after that surgery. And for that reason, we are having our own garments to make sure that that result is protected, but also a warranty for life on all our products. What is happening outside of the US? The market outside of the US remain 80% texture implants. But when we talk about texture implants, not all the products are the same texture. The surfaces matters. We have products that can be from 0 to 10 microns, products from 10 to 15 microns, and products above 15 microns. And the true reality around the world is there is high level of satisfaction, high level of quality, high level of safety with texture implants and surfaces from 0 to 50 microns. And what here in that picture is exactly what is happening outside of the US. About innovation, we are bringing to the market every single year two innovations that matters for the outcome and the value perceived by the plastic surgeon and the patient. Pearl is the novel implant that is available outside the US in more than 70 countries now. It's a 5 microns implant, round, with 4 projections. That product is perfect for aesthetics. Luna is an anatomical product with a 25 microns technique, and that product is requiring a 3 centimeter scar to do a reconstruction or even an aesthetic procedure. That product is having a surface that is helping us to not have any rotation despite not having any type of latches to sustain the implant in the position. And it's very important to know that the effect and the outcome of those anatomical implants gives you a very natural shape with no need to put a type of hybrid with fat in that specific procedure. Fixed nip is the only implant in the world with a permanent projection done in less than 15 minutes surgery with whether in a consultation room, but you don't need to go that to the operating room. Fixed nip is a product that right now have already 4 papers published with 100% satisfaction and no adverse effects with a permanent projection for the patients. Here is our range of products. As I told you, we have round products, anatomical products, and 4 types of surfaces. PureGraft is the partner, and we are using PureGraft because as of today, everywhere around the world, PureGraft is demonstrating the higher quality on the retention of the fat after injection on the breast. Very important product. But we are also developing, and we have developed in the last 40 years, body implants, because we are a high player and good player in the reconstruction market. We are number 1 in France, number 1 in Germany, and number 1 in many countries for reconstruction. Those products are used for burn patients. Those products are used for patients who have a specific need to change their lives. We are based in France, south of France, southeast in Provence. And here is some results of our products. Very natural look for anatomical. Very natural look in any type of patients, and you can see the examples of our doctors from Italy. We have round products also from Pearl. And now, as we are done, just to let you know, our DNA is quality you expect, is the options you need, and the peace of mind you doctors need from us. Thank you.